Let's start our first chapter, that is Introduction to Python. After seeing the headline of this chapter, the first thing that comes in our mind is what is Python? So, Python is a high level object oriented scripting language which is used for web development, software development, to handle big data and perform complex mathematical operations, and also used for the system scripting. Basically, it was developed by Guido van Rossum in the late 80s and early 90s at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. It is derived from many other languages, including ABC, Modula 3, C, C++, Algol 68, Smalltalk, and Unix Shell and other scripting languages. It is copyrighted. Like Perl, Python source is now available under the GNU, that is General Public License. So Python language, it is interpreted. It is processed at runtime by the interpreter. You do not need to compile your program before executing it. This is similar to Perl and PHP. Also, it is a beginner's language. Python is a great language for the beginner level programmers and supports the development of a wide range of applications from simple text processing to www browsers to games. It is the language is a good choice for beginner because it is easy to learn and programs can be written quickly using it. It is also a powerful language popular with professional software developers. The next, we will see the feature of Python. So it is easy to learn. Python has few keywords, simple structures, and a clearly defined syntax. This allows a student to pick up the language quickly. Python code is more clearly defined and visible to the eyes, so it is easily to read, and it is also easily to maintain because Python source code is fairly easy to maintain. It is interactive. Python, you can actually sit at a Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. It has support for an interactive mode which allows interactive testing and debugging of snippets of code. It is a portable. Python can run on a wide variety of hardware platforms and has the same interface on all platforms. Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It is extendable. You can add low-level modules to the Python interpreter. These modules enable programmers to add to or customize their tools to be more efficient. Also, Python provides interfaces to all major commercial databases. Next is GUI programming. Python supports GUI applications that can be created and ported to many system calls, libraries, and Windows systems such as Windows MFC, Macintosh, and the X Windows system of Unix. It is scalable. Python provides a better structure and support for large programs than shell scripting. In fact, it has been reported that Python is used by New York Stock Exchange, Google, NASA, YouTube, and various game companies and many others. That's all.